Hi, it's Lee. Hope you're doing well. Happy Saturday. Shout outs to Melissa and Joan. Any questions that you have at all whatsoever about solar, selling your house with solar, roofing, any of that sort, feel free to text us. You have my phone number. Shout outs to Catherine, Roy, Joel, Eric, Lana, Ismail, Zanji. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. The Wong family. Monica, Keith, Violetta. Again, forgive me if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. Joe and Mason, Barry, Jessica, John, Amani, and Brian. Yeah, absolutely anything we can do for you. We're just here to give you the info. We can't sneak panels onto your roof. It's got to be something that makes sense. We'll give you a bunch of different options. This is why I do this. My son Henry, he's 5. Well, he's 6 now. Just turned 6. Yeah, so I hope this video finds you well. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend. Taking it easy. And anything we can do for you, please let us know. Common questions that people might have is, what happens if I sell my home? It transfers over to the new homeowners. We'll design it to your roof line, right? There was a lot of, uglier installations. There's a lot of bad solar out there from the past. And not only do the panels look better now, but also I'm my wife felt the same way. So I make sure that these designs that I put together, they match the roof line. They're symmetrical. If someone doesn't care about that and they just want to get the most usage possible, the most amount of energy produced from the sun possible, then that's up to them as well. But it's not a cookie cutter thing. It's customized to your home, your family situation, how long you plan on living with the home, whether you want to own the panels, you want us to own the panels. There's so many different variables, and we're just gonna give you the info and then we'll leave it up to you. So thank you. Feel free to text us anytime. You can call as well. We're just finding that we're receiving a lot of inquiries and questions via text message. My phone number is 917-282-6285. It's my cell. It'll come directly to me. We don't believe in pushy salespeople. I understand you may have received multiple emails from us or text messages. We're just finding that we're gauging your interest. If you're interested, fantastic. We'll give you more info. If you want us to call us in 6 months, that's fine. We'll put you on a 6-month reminder. And if you never want to hear from us again, we absolutely appreciate you telling us that so that we do not spend more time filling up your email box and your text box. Because I get it. I get texts from marketing companies too and salespeople and emails and we are absolutely happy to get out of your inbox completely. So just let us know anything we can do for you. If you're looking for someone else, a local accountant, a local lawyer, a local, we a lot of homeowners like to go over the paperwork with their accountant or with their lawyer. So we get it. So we're meeting more people. If you need a local tree person, a local roof person, hey, if you even need a local plumber, it has nothing to do with solar electricity whatsoever. I am happy to shop around and find a plumber for you because you know what? That plumber knows a lot of homeowners that can refer us to us. So we are happy to do a little bit of extra work for you, whether or not you go solar with us and find a contractor or someone that you've been looking for that's trusted and we've received from other people. Or if you just want us to get 3 quotes, you meet them and you get the best A deal and B service based on your first and second impression of that person. I'm happy to do that too. So be well. We will be in touch. And happy Saturday. Bye now.